Welcome back to our YouTube series in which we are solving PYQs from 1979 to 2024. Here we are taking up modern history and the similar initiatives has been going on for economy too. Remember, को याद दिला दूं कि पॉलिटी की सीरीज, ज्योग्राफी की सीरीज और एनवायरमेंट की सीरीज खत्म हो चुकी है एंड वी आर हियर विद हिस्ट्री एज वेल एज इकोनॉमी. टुडे विल डू मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री. को बता दूं कि आर यूपीएससी प्रीलिम्स पीवाईक्यूज जो हम 45 ईयर्स का कवर करेंगे, इट विल बी थीम वाइज एंड सब्जेक्ट वाइज. And the same question will appear on your PYQ portal on Educami website, and you can get the notes also. PSP 2025 is still going on. You can check out its features. Today's topic is Struggle for Swaraj, and it is a part one. So let's start. Question number one: Who led the extremists before the arrival of Gandhiji on the political scene for freedom struggle? 1979 का क्वेश्चन है. आज के टाइम पे अगर देखो तो बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है. तो बाल गंगाधर तिलक was a person who was the extremist before the arrival of Gandhiji, and मनोजी गोखले नहीं है, वो उस गांधी के साथ भी थे. आंसर इज ए. Moving to next question. स्वदेशी मूवमेंट started during एंटी बंगाल पार्टीशन मूवमेंट लगभग 1905 में था, ये भी उसी टाइम में था. एंड नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट was 1921, civil disobedience 1931. None of the वो तो अलग है. The answer here is anti-Bengal partition movement. Answer is A. Moving to next question. Here are some of the features of PSP. You can take screenshot of it. Practice test है, marathon sessions, book reading sessions, revision sessions, sectional test and full length test. UPSC mixed test, current affairs के revision classes of 1 year CSAT support and mentorship, test discussion as well as Prayag, which is all India mock test. Now you can see 45% of our enrolled students have qualified this prelims and 50% of the questions जो आए थे वो direct hit थे. It helped the student with more confidence and it boosted also accuracy. Who among the following was not a moderate? 1982 का क्वेश्चन है. अगर मैं देखूं, WC Banerjee was a moderate, GK Gokhale was a moderate, and Mahatma Gandhi by nature was a moderate compared to Tilak. The answer is D, Tilak. Moving to next question, question number 4. Lal, Bal and Pal formed an extremist group in the Indian National Congress. ये तीनों की जोड़ी बहुत हिट थी एंड ये तीनों को एक्सट्रीमिस्ट के लीडर्स कहा जाता था. बिपिन चंद्र पाल, बाल गंगाधर तिलक एंड लाला लाजपत राय. लाल, बाल, पाल. दे वर रेवोल्यूशनरी लीडर्स. नो, दे वर एक्सट्रीमिस्ट लीडर्स. तो सेकंड स्टेटमेंट और रीजन गलत हो गया. तो आर इज इनकरेक्ट एंड ए इज करेक्ट. लाल, बाल एंड पाल formed an extremist group. Yes, A is correct, R is incorrect. Answer here is B. Moving to next question, question number 5. In the 19th century, the people who participated in the national movement were mostly 19th century मतलब 1800 से 1900 का दौर जब लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया. तो उस टाइम कौन से ज्यादा लोग थे जो पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे थे? एंड यू नो दैट आफ्टर मैकॉले देयर वाज एजुकेटेड मिडिल क्लास व्हिच केम अप एंड व्हिच वाज पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन द नेशनल मूवमेंट. द आंसर इज सी. मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. को बता दें कि CSAT is getting started by Devinder sir. It will have 50 plus classes and worksheet for practice, 10 tests and 3 digital booklets भी मिलेंगे. It is started from 21st December, so do check out its features. Question number 6. What was the objective of Home Rule Movement? तो Home Rule Movement start हुआ था एनी बेसेंट के द्वारा as well as बाल गंगाधर तिलक. दोनों का रूल था, दोनों का एम था सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट एट ऑल लेवल्स. आंसर इज ए. मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सॉल्यूशन देख लेते हैं. द प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ होम रूल मूवमेंट was to achieve self-government within the British Empire through the use of constitutional means. That is aimed at establishment of a government by councils whose members would be elected by people of India. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 देखते हैं. What is the most significant thing regarding partition of Bengal in 1905? What was the most significant thing regarding partition of Bengal? अब Muslims were separated? No. English established that they were strong? No. Very subjective option. English undertook partition without consulting local population. Basic consult. It was done in the name of administration. This paved for the way of involvement of more people in the national movement. This was one of the most significant impact. Answer is D. Moving to next question. Anushilin Samiti was a terrorist organization with headquarter at. अगर अनुशीलन समिति या फिर रेवोल्यूशनरी एक्टिविटी की बात करूं तो जनरली ये पंजाब साइड एंड बंगाल साइड फेमस है. तो ऑप्शन जो है उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही होगा. तो अनुशीलन समिति नाम से समझ में आ रहा है इट्स काइंड ऑफ अ बंगाली एफिडेंट. आंसर इज बी, कलकत्ता. इट वाज अ सीक्रेट सोसाइटी. आइए देखते हैं. द कैलकटा अनुशीलन समिति एंड द ढाका अनुशीलन समिति वर फॉर्म्ड एंड ऑर्गेनाइज्ड ऑन द सीक्रेट सोसाइटीज ऑफ रशिया एंड इटली. Pramanath Mitra, a barrister and the leading figure in the revolutionary movement, founded the Calcutta Anushilin Samiti in Bengal in 1902. ये ध्यान रखिएगा. Moving to next question, which is question number 9. Moderates and extremists of the Indian National Congress differed mainly on the issue of 1989 का क्वेश्चन है कि moderates और extremists किस चीज पर डिफर कर रहे थे? They differ on the basis of Swaraj rather than Swadeshi boycott or national education. Answer is A. Moving to next question, which is question number 10. Who among the following was a revolutionary who later turned into yogi and philosopher? अब तिलक was an extremist? नहीं, ये possible नहीं है. लाला लाजपत राय की डेथ लाठी चार्ज में हुई थी? नहीं. Aurobindo Ghosh was a person who actually translated or transformed into a yogi or philosopher. उनके नाम पे Auroville exists in Pondicherry. 10th answer B. Moving to next question, which is question number 11. Who of the following was not a moderate? बहुत easy question, वापस यूपीएससी 2-3 बार पूछ चुका है. तो बाल गंगाधर तिलक was not a moderate. Moving to next question, which is question number 12. The Bara Dacoity was the first major venture of the revolutionary terrorists of the freedom movement in Dash. Bara Dacoity जो था ईस्ट बंगाल की देन है. ईस्ट बंगाल में था ये जगह. तो आंसर इज ईस्ट बंगाल, not Bombay, not Punjab, not Madras. Answer is. With this, we complete our video and stay tuned for part two. We have done from 1979 to 1995, and the questions were comparatively easy. With coming time, you'll see more analytical questions, and but it is doable. So stay tuned for further videos.